Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ClickUp mobile app for task comments and status update. Begin by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store specific to your operating system. For Android users, this would be the Google Play Store. For iOS users, access the Apple App Store. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type ClickUp. Tap the search icon to initiate the search. Locate the ClickUp app from the list of search results. Ensure it is the official app developed by Mango Technologies Incorporated. Tap on the app icon to open its details page. Now, look for the download or install button. For Android, this button will display as install. For iOS, wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the ClickUp app on your home screen. Tap the ClickUp icon to open the app. You will be prompted to log in or create an account if you haven't done so already. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in to your ClickUp account. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace where you want to add task comments. Access the specific task you wish to comment on. To add a comment, locate the comment section within the task details. Type your comment in the provided text box. After typing your comment, tap the Send button to submit. To update the status of a task, return to the task details. Find the status drop-down menu located within the task. Select the new status you'd like to assign to the task. Make sure to confirm your selection if prompted. Your task comments and status updates are now recorded. Feel free to explore other features of the ClickUp mobile app for enhanced productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.